Oh hey, welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you again.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey, so today I'm working back in my office here at St. Genevieve. It's been a pretty busy day. Had a lot of stuff to work on, and I've got a rehearsal in a couple of hours, but just here sitting on my computer doing a little bit of last minute things with some scheduling. Sometimes a day is just very, very typical and regular. Can you guys see out there, by the way? It's a little glossy because it rained. It's been raining all day. Also, I hear that they changed our carpet this week, so let's go take a look at the carpet in the church. Got new carpeting. That must be all the old stuff. And I'm not sure if that's a new roll or an old roll.
How did they...
Is this the new carpet? Oh wow. That guy over there still working on it.
Yes.
Oh, this is MJ, everybody.
Hi.
And then you guys know Celeste, and I can't remember if you guys met Bridget before or not.
I hate videos and pictures of myself,
Yeah, you don't
Raphael. I'm not one of the new generation. I don't have the measuring thing.
Yeah, but we can do
There's Jesus on the altar. It's raining again, MJ.
I know! I don't want to get wet.
Look at that. Gotta hurry up and run back into the office. It's pouring. Also, I don't want the microphone and the camera messing up. Alright, back indoors. Oh, look, there she is again.
Oh, jeez.
Wait, there she is. There's
Do you know
Bridget.
how much I hate seeing myself in videos?
That'll be a recurring thing with Bridget.
I'm not a member of the new generation.
So earlier I had half of my lunch. Thank you, by the way, Bridget, for getting our lunch. It's a tri-tip sandwich from The Habit. I keep showing you guys my food on these vlogs. I think that's gonna be a theme too. Food. Check it out. Doesn't that look good? Ooh, yummy. Got a little A1 sauce to go on top there. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. That is good stuff. I'm gonna do one more bite. So good, so good. Alright. Now that I got you guys hungry, go get something to eat, come back, and finish the vlog. Okay? Go. Came outside to take a few pictures. I think they came out pretty nice. Whew. Oh man, love that weather out there. Nice rain, but it's nice to be back indoors, nice and warm and dry. Alright, well, I think we're gonna end the video here because I gotta get going soon and I gotta prepare for my rehearsal. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, comment down below, let me know if you're a fan of the rain. Also, just want to let you know before we really are done, I'm really enjoying the Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I've been putting out, and it's been really fun. It's kind of making me really grind, you know, like aside from the stuff that I normally have to do in my day, posting up all these videos every day. It's cool. It's fun. I'm getting a taste of the daily vlog life. So, who knows? Maybe daily vlogging is in my future. We'll see. Alright, catch y'all in the next video, and until then, see you then.